In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a workflow in Asana. This process is straightforward, and with just a few steps, you'll be ready to streamline your projects more effectively. Let's dive right in and get your Asana workflow up and running. First, head over to the Asana website by navigating to asana.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a prompt asking for your credentials if you aren't already logged in. Start by entering your registered email address into the provided field. Be sure to double check that you've entered the correct email to avoid any login issues. Once your email is entered, click on the continue button. This action will take you to the next step in the login process. Now comes the security step, entering your password. Type your password into the appropriate field, and if you're on a personal device, you might consider checking any Remember Me options for easier future access. With your password in place, click on Login to enter your Asana account. Upon logging in, you'll find yourself on your Asana homepage. This is the central hub where you'll manage all your projects and tasks. Your first task is to clearly define the stages and tasks involved in your current workflow. Understanding these components is crucial as it lays the foundation for building a workflow that suits your needs. Next, be specific about the goal of your workflow. Identifying this goal will guide the setup process and help ensure that every task and stage contributes towards achieving this objective. Knowing your end goal makes it easier to structure the workflow with precision. Once your goals and tasks are defined, it's time to assign the relevant team members. Determine who needs to be involved in the workflow. Having the right people assigned ensures that the tasks can move smoothly through the project stages without unnecessary delays. Now let's build the workflow in Asana. You will create a new project as the base for your workflow. Use the Asana Workflow Builder to structure this project according to the stages and tasks you've previously defined. This tool is intuitive and designed to help you create an efficient flow with minimal effort. To further enhance efficiency, integrate Asana features like forms, rules, and approvals. These features help automate tasks and improve overall workflow performance, saving you time and effort. Finally, take advantage of Asana's integrations with tools such as Gmail, Google Calendar, Slack, and others. These integrations allow you to streamline communications and extend functionality beyond Asana itself. By connecting Asana with these tools, you ensure that everyone is on the same page and tasks are synchronized across platforms. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should now have a well-structured workflow in Asana, ready to tackle your projects with greater efficiency. Thank you for tuning in and happy organizing.